Hey guys, welcome back to Cryptology. In today's episode, we're going to show you how to earn free coins simply by watching videos and taking quizzes on Coinbase. First of all, you're going to go down to the reward section on the home page. Then you can scroll through and see various coins that I've earned in the past. That's a lot of money there. It all adds up, especially if you're new into crypto and you need a little money to play with. This is a good solution. So first of all, looks like I haven't earned the Polygon reward, so we're gonna click on that. And you can see it gives you a little information on each particular token you're looking at. We're gonna take the quiz and it gives you a little info. What blockchain is Polygon helping to scale? Well, that's an easy one. Ethereum blockchain. And we just earned $1 in Freematic. Now we'll hit next video. A little more information, yada yada yada. Polygon is decentralized internet of blockchains built on top of Ethereum, blah blah blah. Who runs the Polygon network? Well, I'd say the Polygon validators run the Polygon network. And I just earned another $1 in Freematic. More info. You can read it if you want. What is Polygon building? Well, they're building an internet of blockchains on Ethereum. That's pretty easy. Submit. I just earned another $1 in Matic. Yeah, so basically I just earned $3 in Freematic for, looking at a little information about their platform, learning a little bit, taking a quiz. It was easy as hell. If you guys thought this video was informative in any way, give me a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel. As an added bonus, if you click the link in the comments and sign up to Coinbase, you get a free $10 in Bitcoin. Have a good day.